Do you know that diabetes is one of the fastest growing health problems in the world? But what really causes it? And why are there so many different types? In today's video, we're going to break down the main types of diabetes and what's really behind them in the simplest way possible. First up, type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune condition. Now, what does that mean? It means your own body's immune system gets confused and mistakenly attacks and destroys the special cells in your pancreas that make insulin. The exact reason this happens isn't fully understood, but scientists believe it's a mix of genetic factors, maybe triggered by things like viral infections. Type 1 usually shows up in children or young adults, and it's important to know it has nothing to do with lifestyle or diet. Next, we have type 2 diabetes, which is the most common form. With type 2, your body still makes insulin, but your cells don't respond to it properly. Think of it like a key trying to open a rusty lock. This problem is called insulin resistance. Over time, your pancreas can get worn out from trying to produce more and more insulin to compensate. So what causes type 2? It's often a combination of things. The biggest factors are being overweight, not getting enough physical activity, and having an unhealthy diet. Your family history and simply getting older also play a role. Even high levels of stress can contribute. And like type 1, this type develops gradually and is very strongly linked to our lifestyle choices. Then there's gestational diabetes. As the name suggests, this type only occurs during pregnancy. The hormones that your body produces to help the baby grow can sometimes block the action of insulin, making your body resistant to it. It's more likely to happen if the mother is overweight before pregnancy, has a family history of diabetes, or had gestational diabetes in a previous pregnancy. Usually, it goes away after the baby is born. Now let's talk about prediabetes. This is a huge warning sign. It means your blood sugar levels are higher than they should be, but not quite high enough to be diagnosed as full-blown type 2 diabetes. It's like the yellow light before the red. The main causes are just like type 2, a diet high in processed foods, a lack of exercise, and carrying extra body fat, especially around the belly. But here's the great news, prediabetes is often reversible. Making healthy lifestyle changes can turn things around and prevent it from progressing. And for a quick bonus, there are also some other rare types of diabetes you might not have heard of. For example, there's MODY, which stands for maturity onset diabetes of the young. This is caused by a specific genetic mutation. There's also secondary diabetes, which can be a side effect of certain medications or other diseases that damage the pancreas. So, let's do a quick recap. Type 1 is an autoimmune condition, not caused by lifestyle. Type 2 is mostly related to lifestyle and genetics. Gestational diabetes, it's specific to pregnancy. And prediabetes is that critical early warning stage. Understanding these key differences is the first step toward better prevention, management, and living a healthier, fuller life. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. Let me know in the comments which type of diabetes were you most curious about. Thanks for watching.